Make your own no-bake vanilla cinnamon cheesecake with date nut crust the Savory way. Line the bottom of the springform pan with parchment paper. Remove the pits from the dates and grind them with the cashews and salt in the food processor. Spoon the mixture into the springform pan and press with the back of a spoon to create the crust. Place in the refrigerator until you're ready to use it. Beat the cream cheese in a bowl with a mixer. Cut the vanilla bean lengthwise and scrape out the seeds with the point of a knife. Add the seeds to the cream cheese. Add the cinnamon and brown sugar to the cream cheese and mix until blended. In another bowl, beat the cream until stiff. Gently combine the cream and the cream cheese mixture with a spatula. Spoon the mixture into the springform pan. Smooth with a spatula or palette knife. Cover with plastic wrap and chill in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Carefully cut the edges of the cake from the springform pan. Then remove the ring of the springform pan. Cut 4 strips of parchment paper about 1 inch wide. Place them 1 inch apart on the cake. Using a sieve, dust the cake with a thin layer of cocoa powder. And carefully remove the strips of parchment paper. This creates a lovely striped pattern. A classic favorite made the simple, savory way. Enjoy your no-bake vanilla cinnamon cheesecake with date nut crust.